We have some big storms that have fired up in the interior, and now some of that is making its way to the coastline. Reports of a funnel cloud. We just got a photo in of a funnel cloud over Okeechobee in the last hour. There is still a flood advisory in effect for Okeechobee. Heavy downpours. The good news with the Okeechobee area is that this storm is starting to drift north a little bit. So out of the green polygon here, that's the flood advisory area. Several inches of rain on the ground. I think we could get another ½ an inch of rain in spots, at least in the polygon area here, as it drifts north along 441. Trails all the way down along through Indiantown, another strong storm around the Indiantown and western Martin County area, and then heavy rainfall and a storm around the acreage, Loxahatchee, Royal Palm, and that is drifting kind of southeast into western West Palm Beach and along 441 and the Turnpike and 95 around the fairgrounds area. There's a closer look at it as it moves down into more populated areas along the coastline. Also, more rain around the Treasure Coast. This is lighter rain across Port St. Lucie, Stewart, and Palm City. If you, some heavy downpours here, so if you run into some areas where it's really coming down and you don't know the depth of the water, just turn around. Don't gas because you're likely stall out. Some of this rainfall is really, really heavy. And an area that picked up heavy rainfall yesterday, Boca and Delray, getting another little cell that's popping up that will likely intensify too. Temperatures are rain cooled in the low and mid 80s. Tropical weather. We're going to have to keep an eye on this one. This is now Invest 91. It has a high chance of developing, a 90% chance of developing the next 6 to 7 days. I think we're going to see something form by the weekend or during the weekend in the central Atlantic, a depression or a storm, next storm named Gabrielle, and then moving toward the Caribbean. The models, the computer model tracks, bringing it around the Leeward Islands about 5 to 6 days from now. So one to keep an eye on. Some of the long-range models bring it into the Bahamas. That if it has any impact on the coastal U.S., it would be about 11, 12 days from now. We're talking mid-September, around the 16th or 17th potentially, but definitely one to keep an eye on. We'll keep you up to date right here. All right. Storms on the way for boaters and beachgoers tomorrow. Seas about 2 to 3 and a light chop. Rumbles of thunder out there this evening. Lots of clouds. Bring the umbrella. Pack your patience. Going to be slow go on the roadways, especially in the next hour or two. 89 tomorrow. Best times to get outside will be in the morning. You'll beat a lot of the heat and a lot of the heavy weather that'll develop in the afternoon. Should be pretty active tomorrow. And the 7-day forecast, not quite as widespread, but still some scattered showers and storms both weekend days in the afternoon. And we let up on the rainfall chances a little bit. They'll still be around, but not as widespread early next week.